What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on this crypto called Barnbridge, also known as Bond. A highly requested video because it has been pumping like mad in the last 24 hours. As you can see on the screen, 30% up. It was much higher than that earlier today, but obviously it has taken a slight dip in value, so that is exactly what I'm going to be going through in today's video. Looking at what potential it has, a lot of people have been asking me, is it a good crypto to invest into right now? Should you wait for it to dip further? Should you sell it? So on and so on. A lot of different questions from both buyers and sellers. So that is exactly what I'm going to be going through in today's video. Obviously, we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now, but we'll get into all of that later on in the video when I get into the technical analysis, and I'm going to be showing you guys, or giving you guys my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and also overall in 2022, what potential and how high can Barnbridge go. But before I get into any of that stuff, I just want to let you guys know this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So as you can see, Barnbridge is indeed the top gainer in the last 24 hours, 33% up now. And again, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that, you know what's coming guys. There will be a giveaway, and there's going to be not one, not two, but 3 lucky winners who are going to be winning cryptocurrencies. And all you need to do to find out about the giveaway is stay subscribed and on this channel, and mainly on my Instagram, because that is where all the giveaways, exclusive giveaways, do get announced. So last 24 hours, 33% up. It has dipped even the last hour, 10% up guys in the last hour itself. But we can see over the last couple of hours, let's say 2 to 3 hours, it has taken a slight dip in value. Over the week, 33% up, and over the month it is unfortunately down 10%. It looks very good when you look at the weekly chart and the daily chart and the hourly chart. However, if you look at the overall picture for the last 4 weeks, it is not too great, but it is slowly starting to recover. So going into the coin market cap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 1000% in the last 24 hours, meaning a lot more people are investing, trading this crypto as well as selling. But as we can clearly see in the Coinbase website, there are massive 82% buy against only 18% sell. So there's way more buyers than sellers in this case, or on the specific crypto, meaning there's a huge amount of people getting into the crypto. And what I've noticed is since I've started trading crypto, a lot of people seem to get into crypto or buy the crypto when it's pumping in value, which is a risky move, because obviously just like what's happened here, it does come back down in value, and that's always expected from myself. And yeah, let's get straight into the price prediction. So obviously the Fibonacci scale, we're going to be using it later on in the video, but let me start off with the MACD indicator, which is what I'm going to be using to do the price prediction. And at the top we've got the candlestick pattern chart showing us how Barnbridge has been performing, and we do indeed have the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing it at $8.18. However, it is trading at just under $10, $9.68, meaning it is overperforming. It is performing very well at the moment. However, the only bad point to that is it's likely to drop down in value, because this is the average value of the crypto, and that's where it's meant to be. So when it goes for a price correction period, is going to be known as overvalued, meaning it will take a slight dip, but we'll get into that very shortly. So let me zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming in here, we can see the blue line and the orange line are both looking bullish, going in a positive direction, looking quite positive. However, we can see that after it reached $10.42 earlier today, it's taken a slight breather, so going back down in value, reaching about $8.67, and right now going back up in value to nearly hitting $10. So over the next couple of hours, we should expect it to go way above the $10 mark, as both the lines are looking positive. However, dips are always part of the process, so do expect slight dips in value on the way over the next couple of hours, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days are indeed looking very bullish. In this case, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking very steep, looking going in a bullish direction, meaning more increases in value are expected over the coming days. However, guys, I've always said this, if you guys have been following me for a while and have been watching my videos, you probably know what I'm going to say. whenever a crypto does a huge percentage increase, just like this one here, especially in a short amount of time, like in an hour, it's done nearly 10%. Let me refresh the page just to get an up-to-date figure. 11% now, so it's still going up in value, and the trading volume is on 1000% now over here. Just to double check, let me refresh the page. 1060. Okay, it's going up slightly and slowly, so again, do expect it to slightly dip in value over the coming days, because the pump is not going to last that long, obviously. And you know, it's pumped, dipped, pumping again. It will go above the $10 mark over the next couple of hours. However, over the next few days, it is very likely it's going to drop below the $9 mark, probably hitting about $8 or $8.50 by mid next week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? So zooming in here, we've got the blue line looking a little bit more steeper than the orange line, but the whole point is that they are both going in a bullish direction, so an overall increase is expected over the next couple of weeks. So in this case, I'm talking about mid-April to late April. We should hopefully go way above the $11 mark. And again, it's going to be a slow and steady process. And it doesn't mean it's going to be hitting green candles every single day until late March. That is not what I mean. Of course not. It means that do expect green days, do expect red days. You may go through major pumps, major drops, so on and so on. But the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side. So an overall increase it is for Barnbridge. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and let's bring up the Fibonacci scale. So the last time that that's 100%, yeah, so the last time it hit its highest point, I'm not talking about from last November 2020, I'm only showing it up. Let's have a look here. Last year, so a year's worth of chart is what I'm going to be focusing on, because otherwise it won't be too accurate. So let's stick to the screen here. So as you can see, it is currently in the red zone, which means it's very low. I'm guessing it's 23% in the lower 23% target. And every time it did hit about 38%, as you can see, it hit 38%, drop back down, hit 38%, drop back down, and here it broke out, hit the 50 cents mark, or sorry, 50 percentage mark, which was about $38, and dropped back down in value, dropped back down here, and then it broke out in a negative way when it hit 23 cents, which was $21.40, and yeah, has been in the red zone ever since. So the last time it hit that was December last year, on the 5th of December 2021, and ever since then it's been doing nothing but dropping in value. Hopefully we should be able to break this line here over the let's say late March to mid-May. We should be able to go past the $23 mark, depending on how the crypto market performs. And obviously, with the major dips that's been taking place for various reasons that's going on around the world, with the the war, the COVID situation. Obviously, COVID is kind of gone right now, but the war and so on has had a major effect on the crypto market. And obviously, Bitcoin has dropped below $40,000, which also had major impact on the whole crypto market in a negative way. But yeah, hopefully we should be able to see some positive outcome over the coming weeks and coming months, and hopefully the second half of 2022 is much better for the crypto world. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick price update, price prediction on Barnbridge. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below your predictions, your expectations from this crypto, what you guys are thinking. I've seen a lot of positive and negative DMs on this crypto, but yeah, comment down below, guys. And yeah, before you click off, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff. You know what to do. And a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel, especially the old subscribers and the new subscribers. Thank you so much for the consistent support, and yeah, I appreciate each and every single one of you. Keep supporting and I'll keep giving back, and that is the motive on the channel. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.